Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling ingredients. 8 ounces of noodles, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 cup chopped cucumber, 1/2 cup grated carrot, and 2 sliced green onions. Boil noodles until just al dente, about 7-9 minutes, then drain and rinse under cold water to stop cooking and remove excess starch. Drain thoroughly in a colander and transfer to a large bowl, so the noodles cool before you toss them with dressing and vegetables. In a separate bowl, whisk 1/2 cup mayonnaise with 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon sugar until smooth and glossy. This creates a balanced creamy-tangy base. Add 1 tsp salt, 1/4 tsp black pepper, and 1 tsp Dijon mustard to deepen flavor, then whisk again to integrate seasonings. Taste the dressing and adjust. Add 1 tsp more vinegar for brightness or 1 tsp more sugar for sweetness, keeping measurements precise so the dressing stays creamy rather than watery. Combine the cooled, drained noodles with the prepared dressing and chopped vegetables in a large bowl. Toss gently until every noodle is evenly coated. Cover and chill the salad at least 30 minutes so flavors meld. Chilling also firms the mayonnaise slightly for better texture. Before serving, garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro or 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds for crunch, and keep leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator up to 3 days, stirring once before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.